Hey guys, Meteorologist Shane Smith here with you. It is Friday, March 14th, 2025, on the road, so not my usual setup, but I did want to pop in for a quick update about what to expect with severe weather tonight in western Kentucky and the potential of severe weather or flooding now on the table for Saturday, March 15th. Let's talk about it. So we have a wind advisory out for most of the state through Saturday and a flood watch for south central and central Kentucky. Western Kentucky remains under a moderate risk of severe weather tonight, with the main concerns being tornadoes and damaging winds. And then as we go into Saturday, a slight risk, a 2 out of 5 is possible. So as we go through the evening tonight, thunderstorms will develop around Paducah around midnight and push eastward. This is the HRRR model's take on how things play out, and it shows a broken line of thunderstorms dying, and then as we go into Saturday afternoon, a large blob of precipitation moving in with heavy rain. Now, this is different than some of the other models, but if this comes to pass, we could see some significant heavy rain, which is part of why the reason the flood watch was issued. However, the North American mesoscale model showing a little bit of a different picture, trying to keep most of that squall line together through the overnight, with it weakening as it moves into central Kentucky a bit. And then we see a warm front lifting north, showers and thunderstorms along that, a break in the action Saturday afternoon before another round of squall lines moves in, this with the potential of 60 mile per hour wind gusts. So which one is it going to be? Well, that's still a bit up in the air. So right now, the bottom line is this. We still don't know exactly how things are going to play out tonight and tomorrow. Western Kentucky, I feel pretty confident that you're going to see some kind of severe weather tonight. It just depends on if we can break the cap that's trying to develop across the western part of the state. But most of the modeling is showing that at least weakening enough for a few supercells. I think central and eastern Kentucky is where the big questions are on Saturday. Do we see more of the heavy rain setup, or do we see the squall line with gusty winds? And a lot of that's going to depend on what happens in the deep south tomorrow. And that's because they have a rare high risk of severe weather for Saturday. A 5 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for portions of Mississippi and Alabama. So folks down there definitely need to be weather aware. Here in Kentucky, it's a wait and see game, and I'll have more updates tonight and tomorrow on what to expect.